Good morning, children. The next one is divisibility rule for 5. The next one is divisibility rule for 5. In the last, you have learned about 2 table, 3 table, 4 table. Now I am telling about 5 table. Okay, children. For 5 table also same process like 2 only. Now, once all of you write the 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Why I wrote the 5 table here? See, in the 5 table, you check the ones place numbers. Ones place or units place. What are the numbers we got it here? 5. Here 0. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Do you check the numbers? By seeing all the numbers. I wrote only up to 10. If you can write up to 20 or 30 or any up to in how much you want means you can write. But we get in the units place we get only 5 0. Okay, children, in the units place what are the numbers we got it here? 5 0, 5 0, 5 0, 5 0, 5 0. All the numbers we are getting 5 0, 5 0, 5 0, 5 0. That's why we had to get. For D5 what we had to see, Nana? In the units place we get only 5 or 0. Okay, children, do you understand? In the units place we get only 5 or 0. We have to get 5 or 0. In the units place we have to get 5 or 0. Then only it is divisible by 5. The total number is divisible by 5. Once again I am telling, see Nana, 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. By writing full table, observe the table. By observing in the units place, what are the numbers we got it here, Nana? 5 0, 5 0, 5 0, 5 0, 5 0. Means all the numbers are 5 0, 5 0. That's why in the units place we had to get only 5 or 0. Then only the total number is divisible by 5. Okay, children. Now I am giving one number for you. For example, 6 4 5 4 3 2 0. What is the number I given, Nana? 64 lakhs 54,320. What is the number I given here? 64 lakhs 54,320. Now in the units place, what is the number we got it here? 0. So we got it here 0, no? So the total number is also divisible by 5. Okay, children, do you understand? I think. Now let us see one example for you. Let us see one example. What is the number? 11 lakhs 54,545. What is the number I given here, Nana? 11 lakhs 54,545. Okay, children. Now observe it. In the units place or ones place, what is the number we got it here? 5. Means in the 5 table we had to see only 5 or 0. Yes or no? So here we got it 5. So the total number is divisible by 5. D5. The number 11 lakhs 54,545 45 is divisible by 5. Okay children, why? Because in the ones place we got it 5. So the total number is divisible by 5. Okay, shall I take one more sum? See. 10 lakhs 5,000 50,443. 10 lakhs 50,453. Now, by observing this number in the units place, what the number we got it here? 3. What is the number we got it here? 3. So, for divisibility rule, what we had to get? In the ones place, we had to get 5 or 0 only. But here we got it 3. Then it is divisible by 3. By 5 or not? No, it is not divisible by 5. Right here. D5. In the ones place, we get 3. So, the number is not divisible by 5. Okay, Nana? That what is the number they given here? 10 lakhs 50,453. Now, this number is divisible by 5 or not? No. Why? Because in the units place we get 3. So, that's why it is not divisible by 5. I think, do you understand the 5 table? Okay, children. The next one is divisibility rule for 6. Divisibility rule for 6. What is the divisibility rule for 6? Means the number must be compulsory divisible by 2 and by 3. Then only it is divisible by 6. The number must be compulsory divisible by 2 and by 3. Then only the total number is divisible by 6. Okay children, do you understand? Now see, if I given one number, means for example 7,54,743. Okay children, what is the number I given here? 7,54,743. Now we had to find out whether it is divisible by 6 or not. Okay children, for if it must be divisible by 6 means first what we had to see the tables. We had to check first 2 table and 3 table. If you get only, if it is divisible by 2 and 3, then only the total number is also divisible by 6. Okay. Now first check with 2 table. D2. D2 means divisible by 2. D2 means for D2 table what we had to see? We had to check ones place numbers. In the ones place numbers what we had to get for 2 table? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We had to get only 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then only it is divisible by 2. If you get any number from this, the total number is also divisible by 2. Now, in the ones place, what the number we got it here, Dana? 3. Now, 3 is there here? No. Means the total number is not divisible by 2. Right here. The number is not divisible by 2. Okay, the number is not divisible by 2. Now, check for 3 table. For 3 table, what we had to see, Nana? For 3 table, what we had to see? We had to add sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. Now, add all the numbers. 7 plus, 5 plus, 4 plus, 7 plus, 4 plus, 3. What are the numbers they given, Anna? 7 divisible by 3. The number is divisible by 3. For 6 table, what is the rule I told Anna? The number compulsory must be divisible by 2 and by 3. Then only it is divisible by 6 I told. But here by observing this number, D2 means divisible by 2 is not divisible. Yes or no? In 2 table it is divisible? No, it is not divisible by 2. But it is divisible by 3. In 2 conditions must be compulsory, they must be satisfied. Then only it must be divisible by 6. Okay children? It is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. Divisible by 2, it is divisible. Divisible by 2, it is not divisible. But with D3, it is divisible. So the total number is not divisible by 6. Okay? Once again I am telling, see. One more example. 15 lakhs 1542. Okay, Nana? What is the number they given? 15 lakhs 1542. Now, this number is divisible by 6 or not? We had to check here. Now, see. First, what we had to see? D2. First, what we had to see, Nana? D2. Now, in the units place, what is the rule for 2 table? We had to see units place. In the units place, we had to get only 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then only the total number is divisible by 2. Now, here, what is the number we got it here in the units place? 2. We got here 2. The total number is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, the total number is divisible by 2. Now, right here, in the ones place, we get 2. So, it is divisible by 2. Okay children, see, in the units place we got it here 2. So, in the ones place we get 2. So, the total number is divisible by 2. Okay, now check D3. D3, what we had to see here? We had to add sum of the digits. What are the numbers they given, Anna? 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. Okay. Now, see the sum. 1 plus 5. How much? 6. Here we got it small numbers means we can add easily. Now, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5. Take 5 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much you got it, Anna? 12. 12 plus 4. Take 4 fingers. 12 after. 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 plus 2. 17, 18. How much you got it here? 18. Okay, Nana. What is the number we got it here? 18. Check once again. 1 plus 5. 6. 6 plus 0. 6. 6 plus 1. 7. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. How much? 12. 12 plus 4. 16. 16 plus 2. 18. So, 18 is the multiple of 3? Yes. The total number is also divisible by D3. The number is divisible by 3. Now, see, in the D2, it is divisible or not? Yes, in 2 table it is divisible. 3 table also divisible. In 2 conditions, it is satisfied. D2, D3. These 2 tables is satisfied. So, then only what is the rule for D6, Nana? The number must be compulsory divisible by 2 and by 3. Then only the number is divisible by 6. Yes or no? Here, in 2 table it is divisible? Yes. In 3 table it is divisible? Yes. So, the 6 table also it is divisible. Okay. Now write here. It is satisfied in D2 and D3. So the number is also divisible by 6. Okay children, once again I am telling, see what is the number they given now? 15 lakhs 1542. What is the number they given now? 15 lakhs 1542. For 6 table what we had to see? We had to check compulsory D2 and D3, means it must be divisible by 2 and by 3, then only it is divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 6? No, it is not divisible by 6. In two conditions it is satisfied, then only the total number is also divisible by 6. Okay children, if it is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 3, means in only one condition it is satisfied, then it is satisfied in 6? No, compulsory the number must be divisible by 2 and by 3, then only it is divisible by 6. Okay, now see in 2 table what is the for D2 what we had to see? In the ones place we had to get compulsory 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then only it is divisible by 2. Now that condition is satisfied or not? Yes, it is satisfied. Why? Because in the ones place we got it here 2. So the total number is divisible by 2. Okay, means it is satisfied in D2. Now we had to check for D3. D3 means what we had to do? We had to add all the numbers. By adding all the numbers, we had to get one number. That number must be multiple of 3. Okay. Now check. What is the number they given? 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. By adding all the numbers, what is the answer we got it here? 18. What is the number we got it here, Nana? 18. Now, the number is divisible by 3. 18 is multiple of 3 or not? Yes. Why? Because how many times you are getting 18 in 3 table? 6 times. 6 3s are 18. So, it is divisible by 3. In two conditions, you are satisfied. So, now the number compulsory must be satisfied in D2 and D3. Now, by observing these numbers, it is satisfied or not? Yes. In 2 table we satisfy and 3 table also it is satisfied. So, the total number is also divisible by 6. Okay children, I think do you understand? It is very important rules for you. Okay, you had to do some more examples. You had to take some more examples and you had to write. Okay, in the next class I will continue some more rules. Okay, once all of you note down this one. Thank you.
దేంటి సేవ్ అయిందా అవలేదా
అయిందండి